This is Team 18's idea for a bike generator. This was a joint effort between Jack Gerling, Demi Delu Shobogun, and Jame Fana Na Pazir. So our initial brainstorming, we wanted to do something where we had energy that was commonly kind of unused and like make use out of that. So we eventually settled on using a bike because obviously people will put energy into it to move it, but we thought that we could get more out of that. And we want to create electricity using the rotational energy. So we brainstormed and looked up a few simple ideas to make a compact generator that could actually use rotational energy, and this is what we landed on. Our initial design is with alternating poles of magnets rotating around copper coil, and it generates voltage. So that can be seen here. There's two of these rotors, and then on either side of the stator, the alternating poles make current go around one way. Then for more of the design, we created a diode system to keep the current flowing in one direction. And then we also use capacitors to smooth it so that instead of having AC, we could have DC to make it more useful. And then we evaluated a lot of pros and cons of different mounting systems, and mainly between a gear chain and a wheel friction system. But eventually we landed on the wheel friction due to time constraints and available resources. So some fallbacks and growth. We found it difficult to actually concretely mount the generator and wheel friction system. We wanted to make something that anybody could mount onto any bike, just to make it more useful. But due to time constraints again, we just secured it with string. The frame itself also was not very sturdy, just because of the lack of resources. We could not weld anything together. And then also we want to add more components in the future, such as a battery pack.
Yeah.